Hello students, welcome back to my channel. So in this session we will see famous quotations. कुछ लाइंस पे मैंने ये वीडियो बनाई है जो बार बार पूछे जाते हैं हमारे एग्जाम में. So हम प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं इंग्लिश लिटरेचर पेपर नंबर 2 फॉर अपकमिंग एग्जामिनेशन महाराष्ट्र सेट. Okay, so here for you people the first question, to be or not to be, that is the question. It is appear in which Shakespearean tragedy? So Macbeth, Othello, Hamlet, King Lear. So the correct option is C, Hamlet. Next question. Which character in As You Like It speaks that famous line? कौन सा character ये line बोलता है? All the world is a stage and all the men and women merely players. So the B option is correct, Jacks. Next question. If the music be the food of love, play on. It is the opening line of which play? It is the opening line of Twelfth Night. Next question. From which play his quote? The quality of mercy is not strain. Quotation है ये. The quality of mercy is not strain in drop as gentle rain has from heaven. So the lines from which work? The Merchant of Venice is the correct option. Next question. Cowards die many times before their death. The violent never taste of death but once is spoken by whom? So it is spoken by Julius Caesar. Next question. Which tragic hero speak the word life but a walking shadow, a poor player that strut and frets his hour upon the stage? Life but a walking shadow. So which one is correct? Hamlet, Macbeth, King Lear, Othello, A, B, C, D. So the correct is Macbeth, B. Next question. A flies to women, boys are we to the gods. They kill us for their sport. Who speak this? In King Lear. So King Lear, Earl of Gloucester, Earl of Kent and Edgar. So the correct option is B, Earl of Gloucester. Next question. Good name in men and women, dear my lord, is the immediate jewel of their soul. Who says this to deceive Othello? Iago, Cassio, Brabantio, Rogers. So the A, Iago. Some are born great, some are achieve greatness, and some have greatness trust upon them. Some are born great, some achieve greatness, and some have greatness. So which play? Malavelio का ये line है. So the correct answer देखो कौन सा हो जाएगा? Twelfth Night, The Taming of the Shrew, The Comedy of Errors, Midsummer Night's Dream. So the correct answer हो जाएगा A, Twelfth Night. Next question. We are such a stuff as dream are made on, and our little life is rounded with a sleep. So the correct option हो जाएगा A, Prospero in the Tempest. Next question. Okay. These are on the Wordsworth, Coleridge, Keats, Shelley and Byron. The child is the father of the man. It is a famous line poem by the William Wordsworth. तो poem पहचाननी हमें तो ये line आती है My heart leaps up इस poem में by Wordsworth. Next question. Water, water everywhere, nor any drop to drink is a couplet from which poem? So it is the rhyme of the ancient mariner. Next question. Which poem by John Keats opened with the line, a thing of beauty, joy forever? So the correct option is B, Endymion. Next question. Beauty is truth, truth is beauty. That is all you know on earth and all you need to know. Where does this line appear? So the line appear in Ode on Grecian Urn. Next question. If winter comes, can spring be far behind? If winter comes, can spring be far behind? It is a final optimistic line by which poem? So it is the poem by Ode to the West Wind. हमारे शेले का ये कोट है. Option A is correct. He prayed best who loved best, all things both great and small. Who is the author of this moral statement? So the correct option is S.T. Coleridge. Next question. The best lacked all conviction, while the worst are all full of passionate intensity. Wait, let's look at the romantic equivalent. Man is born free and everywhere he is in jail. Who wrote this non-fiction opening? So the correct option is Rousseau. A is correct here. Jean-Jacques Rousseau. Next question. Poets are the unacknowledged legislative of the world is the closing statement of which work? So it is the closing statement. Poets are the unacknowledged legislator of the world by Shelley in defense of poetry. Next question. Milton, thou shouldest be living at this hour. England had need to thee. Which poet wrote this? So it is written by William Wordsworth on Milton. ये उनका ओड है, इसमें इन्होंने लिखा था. Next question. She walks in beauty like the night of cloudless climes and starry skies as composed by, so it is the poem by Lord Byron. She walks in beauty.